quick update on the 280C. I got the seat back vacuum mechanism, the locking mechanism to work. I'm going to open the door, and if you look closely you can watch the release mechanism open up and close pneumatically. It takes a second to vacuum for the vacuum pressure to build up to pull that lock shut, but there it goes. So got both sides working. Also buffed out the paint. Used a pretty aggressive compound. It turned out great. Working on the front end, putting a European market bumper on the front and on the rear. I want to lower this back window. Beautiful lines of the pillarless coupe. Really nice looking coupe.